Hello and welcome to Ninja English. We will learn how to have basic English conversations slowly and clearly. Let us begin the video. Hey there.
Hi, how are you?
Hey there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm good. You?
I'm fine, thanks.
Are you busy today?
No, not really.
Are you busy today?
No, not really.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well last night.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well last night.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, a little toast.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, a little toast.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, every single day.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, every single day.
Is it cold outside?
Yeah, a bit chilly.
Is it cold outside?
Yeah, a bit chilly.
Are you going out?
Yes, to the store.
Are you going out?
Yes, to the store.
With whom?
With my cousin Jake.
With whom?
With my cousin Jake.
Do you need help?
No, I'm all good.
Do you need help?
No, I'm all good.
What time is it?
It's 10:30 now.
What time is it?
It's 10:30 now.
Are you running late?
A little, as usual.
Are you running late?
A little, as usual.
Did you buy shoes?
Yes, new ones yesterday.
Did you buy shoes?
Yes, new ones yesterday.
Were they expensive?
No, quite affordable ones.
Were they expensive?
No, quite affordable ones.
Did you see my phone?
No, didn't notice it.
Did you see my phone?
No, didn't notice it.
Any calls today?
Just one from Sam.
Any calls today?
Just one from Sam.
Did you call him?
Not yet. Later maybe.
Did you call him?
Not yet. Later maybe.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after 8.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after 8.
I want to watch a movie.
Sure, that sounds nice.
I want to watch a movie.
Sure, that sounds nice.
Where shall we meet?
At the city mall.
Where shall we meet?
At the city mall.
Which movie, though?
The new action one.
Which movie, though?
The new action one.
Should I book tickets?
Yes, please do that.
Should I book tickets?
Yes, please do that.
Want snacks too?
Yes, popcorn and cola.
Want snacks too?
Yes, popcorn and cola.
Is it a long movie?
About 2 hours long.
Is it a long movie?
About 2 hours long.
Dinner after that?
Yes, sounds perfect.
Dinner after that?
Yes, sounds perfect.
Who else is coming?
Just us two.
Who else is coming?
Just us two.
Did you bring cash?
Yes, enough for both.
Did you bring cash?
Yes, enough for both.
I got your jacket.
Yes, already packed.
I got your jacket.
Yes, already packed.
Did you reach home?
Yes, just arrived now.
Did you reach home?
Yes, just arrived now.
Is anyone home?
Just my sister.
Is anyone home?
Just my sister.
Did you eat lunch?
Not yet. Soon.
Did you eat lunch?
Not yet. Soon.
What will you cook?
Noodles and soup.
What will you cook?
Noodles and soup.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, smells delicious.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, smells delicious.
Want to eat some?
Sure, just a little.
Want to eat some?
Sure, just a little.
Watching any show?
Yeah, short break now.
Watching any show?
Yeah, short break now.
Which one?
The crime series.
Which one?
The crime series.
Do you like it?
Yes, very interesting.
Do you like it?
Yes, very interesting.
Any new episodes?
One came out today.
Any new episodes?
One came out today.
Is it time to go?
Yeah, getting late.
Is it time to go?
Yeah, getting late.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, whole morning.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, whole morning.
Shall we meet then?
Sure, same place.
Shall we meet then?
Sure, same place.
What time exactly?
Around 10 sharp.
What time exactly?
Around 10 sharp.
Sounds good.
All right, see you.
Sounds good.
All right, see you.
Take care.
You too, bye.
Take care.
You too, bye.
Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Take care and goodbye.